China's retaliatory actions against the United States in the ongoing trade war are hitting Google hard. Just minutes after US President Donald Trump's 10% tariff on Chinese goods came into effect on the 4th of February, China struck back by imposing tariffs on a range of American products. In a surprising move, Beijing also launched an anti monopoly investigation into Alphabet Inc.'s Google, adding another layer of complexity to the already volatile tech giant's operations. Why is China targeting Google? We explain. The Chinese government's decision to investigate Google stems from its alleged violations of China's anti monopoly laws. The investigation will be led by China's State Administration for Market Regulation, also known as SAMR, which is the country's competition watchdog. Although details of the probe remain scarce, the move underscores the ongoing tensions between the United States and China and how it is affecting major American companies like Google. Google has been a target for China due to its strong presence in the global tech market, even though it has faced significant challenges in penetrating China's internet market. Google's search engine has been blocked in China since 2010, which led the company to shut down its Chinese language search engine in favor of shifting operations to Hong Kong. By 2014, China had fully restricted access to Google's Gmail service, leaving Google with limited options in the mainland. Despite its services being blocked, Google has maintained a foothold in China by offering apps and games via local partnerships, ensuring it remains relevant in one of the world's largest markets for smartphones and apps. China's decision to investigate Google isn't an isolated incident, but part of a broader pattern of using anti monopoly regularities against US companies. In December last year, China launched an antitrust probe into US chipmaker Nvidia, further signaling its readiness to use regulatory measures to counteract what it seems as the overreach of American companies in its domestic markets. The strategy is viewed by many as a countermeasure to US efforts to limit Chinese access to critical technologies, including semiconductors. It's important to note that Google, like other tech giants, is already facing increasing scrutiny from regulators worldwide, including in the United States and Europe. Google's dominance in the online advertising, web search, and smartphone operating systems has made it a target for antitrust probes, with several countries questioning the fairness of its market practices. In the United States, Google is grappling with ongoing legal battles. In 2020, the US Department of Justice filed a lawsuit accusing Google of monopolistic practices in the search market, arguing that the company used strong barriers to entry to maintain its dominance. The lawsuit resulted in ruling in favor of the US government, and regulators called for Google to divest its Chrome browser, which is seen as a key part of its search market power. At the same time, Google is also under investigation in the United Kingdom. The country's Competition and Markets Authority, also known as the CMA, is examining whether Google holds strategic market status under new competition rules aimed at the digital economy. These regulatory challenges paint a picture of Google's growing vulnerabilities as it faces mounting pressure from both domestic and international authorities. So, what does this mean for Google's global operations? Google's position in the crossfire of the US China trade war highlights the complex relationship between the tech giant and China. While Google has largely been excluded from China's internet ecosystem, it continues to face significant challenges in its global operations due to its antitrust scrutiny from various governments. The investigation in China adds to the already complicated landscape for Google, and the company must navigate a delicate balance between complying with foreign regulations and preserving its business interests. As the trade war between the United States and China intensifies, Google's situation remains precarious. The ongoing investigations, both in China and globally, illustrate the deepening divide between the tech companies and government regulators. For Google, this means it could be facing regulatory hurdles in the multiple regions, potentially slowing its expansion and growth in key markets. For more news and updates on what China's retaliation on US tariffs would mean, stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of the Indian Express.